honestly y'all, with all of the Mercury retrogrades and the full moon energies and just the ecosystem at the solar level not being at its fullest, trust me baby, having these products have your back and just help you save the day baby. I am telling you, these products will come through. So if you are excited to know all of the products that I have got for you, because I've got some hidden gems, then I really hope you enjoyed today's video. These are my current favorite products, and without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. Alright you guys, let's start off with hair care, which, oh my god, this monsoon in Bombay is driving everybody nuts if the Mercury retrograde wasn't enough. And why my emphasis on that? Because somehow it feels very personal at the moment. So yes, I'm gonna make it sound like it's a me problem, but yeah, I know there are a lot of you out there going with the same. I don't know what's it, astrology this year. I'm really getting into it, and that's something that has constantly been a part of my Instagram feed as well. Let me know if you are interested in astrology, or it's just a me thing, just let me know. Your girl will take the necessary help for it. But yeah, with that being said, let's talk about hair care products. Now honestly, this one tool, yes, one tool comes through and saves the day. Honestly, saves days. 1 minute. I am talking to you about, ta-da! I did not buy this for the longest time because I was convinced this is a very scary looking product. It's an arm workout and I really don't need this. I'm better than this product, but nope. I'm not. Ever since I've got this product, I have not gone back to anything else. I love the bounce that it gives. I love the texture. I like how it tames my frizz and just keeps my hair at bay. So every time I wash my hair, it looks like a salon hair after this blowout brush, and it is so effortless. It doesn't also feel like an arm workout. It has a really nice weight to it, to a point where it's very easy to use. And I'm not the best with hair. Like, look at my hair right now. This is my third day hair after using this on my first day. So even my second and third day hair, they're not as frizzy. They are very manageable. They're very easy, and it's all thanks to this product. It does the job, and I absolutely love this. Now obviously I'm a God's child, so if I'm recommending you to use a hot tool to save your days from the bad hair day, obviously I'm going to be a nice person and share with you my favorite hair mist as well. Now this, you guys, is the Toni & Guy Heat Protection Mist. Now honestly y'all, just like you, I was also wondering if this is like another marketing gimmick, but truth being told, this actually works, because I have seen the hair texture that I have in my hair on days when I use this versus on days when I don't, and I would always prefer to have this on. Now a heat protecting mist is something that you should honestly be using on an everyday basis, because every time you go out in the sun, it's not the best for your hair, for your length, for your scalp, for your roots, and I highly want to encourage you all to start using heat protecting mist more often. With that being said, this Toni & Guy, I absolutely love this. It's a small bottle, very easy to travel with. You just need a little bit of mist here and there and you are good to go. Honestly y'all, next up is a product that I'm going to sound like a broken record, but I don't care. If this video means something to you, and if you have even 1% of your doubts with this product because of the fact of how viral it has gone, I want you to get this. And of course I'm talking about the Wishcare Hair Growth Serum, y'all. I absolutely love this. It really works. That's all you need to know. I don't even know, this is like my 8th, 9th, 10th bottle. I'm not even exaggerating. This is amazing product. It's a product sent from heaven, and initially I felt 650 or 750 ka kuch ye product hai, and that is pricey, but the fact that I have seen similar, if not the same ingredients in other brands, and they selling it at a price of 3 to 4k, woo baby, I was like, take my 750, but just give me this product. Also, something I was really concerned with, what happens to the hair growth once I stop using this? Absolutely nothing. Your hair doesn't suddenly fall off just because you don't use this product. It doesn't change the texture of your hair just because you don't use this product. Your hair is as is, and honestly that is something I find so reassuring, that I feel comfortable to keep going back to this, knowing that the day I stop using this, it's not gonna affect or make a drastic difference in my hair. So yes, this is your sign. If you haven't still got this, get this. Alrighty, now let's talk about accessories, because that's something I'm really getting into also these days. To start off with, I want to talk about my ring. This is my recent purchase and I absolutely love this. It is this ring right here. I got this from Tanishq. It is real gold and real diamond. I am obsessed with it. I've gotten so many compliments on this. It's just one of those rings that I feel comfortable. I just like how elegant it is. I'm not trying too hard, but it still very much exists. It's just, I don't know, like I'm obsessed with this ring, and I tried to wear it in my ring finger, but it obviously needs a bigger diamond to be in my ring finger. Yeah, it's just the size of my middle finger, so that's why I like to wear it there. It's just absolutely something I love. With that being said, next up is another real gold product, which is my bracelet. Now, oh my freaking god, I am obsessed with this. I like the fact that it is in a bangle format and it is very easy to close on its own. Because I have had bangles of real gold and real diamond, but the fact that I need somebody else to help me every time to wear it, I'm an independent woman, I don't like to ask for help. Also, I don't know how to, if I'm being honest. So the fact that I can just wear this on my own and it just looks so beautiful on Indian, on Western, on formals, on informal, that I just if I'm not wearing my smartwatch, I'm wearing this. And yeah, the fact that you get like 2 locks, so you know you are assured that it's not just gonna fall off and just open anywhere. I really like this. It looks very elegant, and I got this, I want to say, from CaratLane, which is also a sister consultant of Tanishq. And yeah, with that being said, I know these are like really pricey pieces and it's not a cup of tea for everyone, but yeah, these are just things I'm obsessed with. And if you are in the market looking out for some, you know, elegant jewelry that you can wear on an everyday basis, maybe those are some options you could consider. Despite of me having my pricey, expensive choices at the moment, something I'm really obsessed with are the earrings that I'm wearing. Oh my freaking god, I just absolutely love the design. They look so beautiful. They again are just one of those classy pieces that literally go on anything and everything I choose to wear, and I don't have to think twice. And these are something I got from an Instagram store actually, which I did like an entire detailed review as to their cost, their links, how's my experience, and just all things fun like that. So I will leave that link in the description and up on the screen for you if you're interested to know where I got this from. Start off with, this is my favorite makeup removing balm, rather the only makeup removing balm that I've honestly used. This is from the house of Stay Quirky. It's their Take It Off Me makeup remover balm. Now as you can see, I've already hit pan on this, and this is how much I love this product, to an extent where this is honestly my second purchase of the exact product. Now there was a time before I was consistently uploading, which by the way, let me know if you're liking my uploads so far. But yeah, before that I wasn't really into content creation, but of course I still had my makeup. I still used to wear a lot of it, and this was the product I discovered during the times when I wasn't making content, and I really liked it to an extent where I didn't feel like experimenting or trying anything new, which, oh my god, the market is full of new makeup removing balms. It removes all sorts of makeup, your heavy makeup, your everyday makeup, your waterproof mascara, not so waterproof mascara, even glitters for that matter. It gets rid of everything. At the same time, it is very gentle on the skin, so it doesn't break out your skin. I know if you are an oily girl or just girl with a sensitive skin and acne prone skin, that's a biggest concern. Don't you worry, this product is going to be very gentle, and I genuinely think you should give this one a try. Agla wala jo product hai na, which honestly I'm telling you guys, Instagram made me buy it. I had no intention to spend the money, but I just did. And this is from the house of Foxtail, and this is their overnight sleeping mask. Now personally, I am a big hoarder, sucker when it comes to sleeping mask. I just feel it's like that one and done eyeshadows kaise hote hai ki bas ek lagao ho gaya tumhara kaam, वैसे ही होता है कुछ overnight sleeping mask, and I am obsessed with it. And when I saw the reviews, I saw the celebrities talk about it, and just everything that everybody was claiming about this product, I was like, isko to try karna hai, because I love the sound of a glowing skin, even texture, and just an hydrating skin. Then I want that, especially I'm a dry skin type. I don't wake up with oil on my face, and that's my dream. We all have different types of dreams, okay? Don't come at me. But yeah, this is the Foxtail Overnight Glow Mask with AHA, PHA and Pro Vitamin B5. The packaging is beautiful. You get about 30 ml of product, and the consistency is sort of like a gel, as you can see, and it blends into your skin very easily. And it does have a little stickiness to it, but it's one of those products you put on your face, it gets absorbed into your skin in like 3 to 5 minutes, after which you can go off to bed and you will literally wake up with a glowing skin. And I'm not talking like a sticky wala glowing skin, I'm talking like glow from within wala glowing skin. And I'm blown away. Now this is a product, because it has actives, I like to use it honestly not more than twice a week. That is something I keep in mind, because again, it's an active. You don't want to irritate your skin too much by overdoing something, and it literally works. I absolutely like how gentle it is on the skin while being such an amazing product. It is easily something that even sensitive skin can use, and give this a try. Alrighty, moving forward, these two items have scored me compliments left, right and center, and I didn't see it coming. I just, with the Mercuries and the retrogrades and the full moon energy, that's my least of the concern, to get compliments. But guess what? These products did it for me. And to start off with, the first thing I have, ta-da! This is my man purse, my woman purse, my just everyday office bag. Oh my freaking god. Just this thing is so absolutely gorgeous. One of my favorite elements about this bag is this thing right here. I can easily remove it and becomes a sling. Like, that is so freaking cool. Truth being told, this is such an amazing bag that not only it can hold in my laptop and all of the necessary chargers and wires and just my everyday beauty essentials that I need, but also I can fit in my dabbas, you guys, in this. Like, everything fits in this. Like, every freaking thing. My sins, my karma, my evil thoughts, like everything that I can think of fits into this. Next up on the list is my pair of loafers that are currently drying outside, because they did get a little dirty in the monsoon, but oh my freaking god, these loafers are the best thing that I've done. They go so well on denims, on formals, on just even dresses for that matter. Like, I don't have to think twice before I put on that pair. It's just so comfy. And the best part, my favorite element about these loafers is they are open heel at the back. So even in monsoons, the water doesn't enter my footwear. Even if it does, just like a slipper, it gets off my footwear. It doesn't smell or any of that. It's just the most comfortable thing that I have owned, and the fact that it is so affordable. I got it on a Myntra sale. Oh my freaking god, I absolutely love this loafers, and I definitely think you should get your hands on it. Alright, moving forward is my favorite scent. Now, oh my god, I am so glad you liked my recommendation, because this is exactly the scent I had also recommended in my favorite body mist under a budget. Oh my god, if you haven't tried this already or watched that video, I will leave a link in the description and up on the screen. But this, you guys, is the Champagne Toast by Bath & Body Works. Now, the best way to describe this is this exactly smells like a champagne. If you are a mid-20s girly, this is how you want to smell. You don't want to smell like a fruit. You don't want to smell like a aftershave. You don't want to smell masculine. But you still want to feel like you are in your 20s. And this is the smell of a 25 or a 20-year-old. And I'm so glad that this was also my scent when I turned 25. And it's just, I have so many memories with this that I absolutely love this, and I will keep repurchasing. This scent is just one of those. It lasts forever. If you haven't tried Bath & Body Works products, I don't know what you are doing. Please get some for you, because these products last long. Alrighty, what next am I enjoying on Netflix? Now, very honestly, the fact that I'm so consistent here and have a 9-to-5 job, I don't really get that much of a time to watch a lot of Netflix. But something I recently watched was Mamla Legal Hai. It's a Netflix series. I really loved it. Now, I know I come from a legal fraternity, so you know, you would assume and stereotype me into liking this kind of content, but very honestly, even the generic of the public would really like it. It's so beautifully done, and the writing is brilliant, the concepts, the episodes, just I just loved every episode so thoroughly. Even as someone who has legal interest, I learned so much from this series. It's beautifully written, so, and beautifully acted as well. So definitely Mamla Legal Hai is something you should give it a watch. What else? Oh, let's talk about what am I up to and how is this year going so far, which honestly, if you've been with me on this journey, you know this is not my favorite year at the moment, because ironically in this very year I've been my best, my worst, and right now I think I'm doing okay. I think I'm doing good. But you know, the fact that all of this has happened in this span of time is just quite literally very ironic. And god, I'm not laughing on this joke, it's not funny, but yeah, it is what it is. And what are my life lessons that I've learned? That I think I've always known this, but I just needed a reminder. that is, only good things happen to good people, and just be patient and only good shall come your way. And also, going with the flow is not my trait, not my type, not my community. So I'm not going to try being that person. I am a planner. I love to know what are my next steps. I like to have plan B. I'm just one of those. And I thought that is so cringe and like, oh my god, like going flow is such a cool thing. No, only dead fishes go with the flow. And when I heard this on Instagram, of course Instagram, it just blew my mind off. Like, whoa, only dead fishes go with the flow. Like, wow, beautiful. And yeah, I think that's a wrap. That's pretty much everything that I have to share at the moment. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and please guys, subscribe karo. I'm really trying to do my best into giving this channel everything that I can from my end, so it would really mean a lot if you could just take a minute and just subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media. The links are down below, and I will see you very soon. Until then, bye.